Hello students, welcome to StudyNet. In this lecture we will discuss about normal lapse rate. Normal lapse rate is one of the most important concepts in the geography because it helps to understand many concepts in the geography. For example, whenever you study about the layers of the atmosphere, so there you should know about it. So in this particular section I will explain in very easy way. So let's start the discussion. So what is normal lapse rate? So normal lapse rate mean temperature decreases as gaining altitude called as normal lapse rate. So this is definition of normal lapse rate. But what is the concept behind it? We see. Suppose guys, this is a earth's surface and near the earth's surface the numbers of particles is high. Suppose this is a particles and near the surface numbers of particles is high like this, and as we move above the surface so number of particles reduce. So as we move, so now here the particle is like this. Okay, so here we are moving vertically, okay, not horizontally. So as we move above the surface the number of particles is less, and as we move above more so number of particles is reduced more. So at this height numbers of particles is like this. Okay, so guys, what is mean of particle here? So particles can be a dust particles or a water vapors or a gaseous particles etc. So near the surface the numbers of particles is high, and as we move above so numbers of particles is reduced. So here the density will be a high. So high density, this is a H means high and this is a rho. Rho is a symbol of density. Okay, so rho is a density, so there will be a high density, and here the density will be a low. Okay, low, and here the density will be a low then compared to this, and this density will be a low then compared to this. Okay, so here you should know about it. The whenever the density is high, this mean there will be a higher temperature. If the temperature is high, this mean there will be a higher pressure, and if the density is low, so this mean there will be a low temperature. If the temperature is low, this mean there will be a low pressure. I know you are confused, so I explain by an example. Suppose guys, this is a room 1, this is a room 2, and this is a room 3. Okay, so in a first room there are 100 person, in a second room there are 50 people inside the room, and there are 10 people inside the room in the third room. Okay, so guys tell me in which room there is a high density? Obviously room 1. And in which room there is a higher temperature? Obviously room 1. Because and in which room there is a more higher temperature or higher pressure? Obviously in this room. Okay, and in which room there will be a more less density? Obviously room 3rd. Okay, so because in a physics pressure volume equal to R and T. P means pressure, V is volume, and R equal to R is a constant, T means temperature. Whenever the volume is constant, so pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Okay, so in a physics. Okay, so in this case, in the atmosphere case, the numbers of particles is high near the surface, so this means there will be a higher pressure, higher density. If the density is high, so this means there will be a higher temperature. If the temperature is high, this means there will be higher pressure. Okay, clear guys? So now the question arises, why the near the surface the numbers of particles is high? Because guys, there is a gravitational pull of the earth is high. Due to this, the numbers of particles is near the surface is high, and as we move above, the numbers of particles reduce because the gravitational pull of earth is reduced. Okay, and as you know, suppose this is the earth and this is the atmosphere of earth. So guys, this atmosphere is held due to the gravitational pull of the earth. Okay, suppose if there is a no gravitational pull of the earth, so this atmosphere cannot be fixed in a same position. Okay, so our atmosphere is held due to the gravitational pull of the earth. Okay, so in this case, the concept of normal lapse rate come in the picture, because if the temperature is high, so this means the temperature is high. But as we are seeing here, as we are moving towards the as we are moving above the surface, so temperature reducing. So in this definition we can understand the temperature decreases as gaining altitude, called as normal lapse rate. Okay, so what is but how can we know how can we know in how can we know in which point the temperature will be a what? I'm saying this, suppose they are 30 degrees Celsius, okay, at the surface. But suppose I go up to the height of 1 kilometer, so at a 1 kilometer what will be a temperature? And suppose I go up to the height of 2 kilometers, so at the 2 kilometer what will be a temperature? So here normal lapse rate concept come in the picture, because the earth normal lapse rate is 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Okay, 6 our earth normal lapse rate is 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. What is the mean of this? This mean is whenever you go above the surface, so temperature will decrease as 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Suppose this is the surface. Okay, here is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, here is 30 degrees Celsius, and I go up to the height of 1 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Here the temperature is 23.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and I go up at the height of 2 kilometer. So now here the temperature is 70 degrees Celsius, and I go at the height of 10.5 3 kilometers. So now their temperature is 10.5 degrees Celsius. So guys, in this diagram you can see the temperature is decreasing 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer, and this is the normal lapse rate. So guys, the normal lapse rate is a different of the different planets, but our Earth normal lapse rate is a 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer, and you have to be know about it. Okay, so guys, this was the concept behind the normal lapse rate, and that's why whenever we go above the surface of the earth, so temperature decreases. But guys, you have to be remember here, this normal lapse rate comes in the picture up to the tropopause. What is a tropopause? This is a troposphere. Okay, and the tropopause is a layer which separates the stratosphere, because in a stratosphere the temperature increases as gaining altitude. So normal lapse rate concepts exist in the tropospheres. Okay, up to the tropopause. Okay, but in the stratosphere the concept of normal lapse rate is not working, because in the stratosphere the temperature increases as gaining altitude. Why the temperature increases as gaining altitude in stratosphere, we will see in another lecture. Okay, so this was the concept of the normal lapse rate. So I hope you like this lecture and you enjoy this lecture. So thank you.